Dear viewership, it is with a very heavy heart that I address you today. It is truly a tragedy in American history. You may or may not be aware, but the Challenger Space Explorer has crashed, killing all the members of the crew on board. I would just like to take this opportunity to apologize for any of comments I've made about any of the crew members or their loved ones, including their children and their pets. I retract anything that I have said, and I apologize. I did not anticipate the results of today's news. May those brave men and women rest in peace. On the other hand, I did make a point to mention it. I put out a lot of warnings in my episodes, and I just want to say that you play with nature this way, and then you go towards the atmosphere, which is literally restricting you, and then you wonder why something like this would happen. I've been talking about this from the beginning, and nobody listens to Sal, but Sal has been talking about this, and I'm sure I'm not the only one, okay? I give other people credit in this regard. People were playing with nature, and you can't play with nature, nature will push back. And so I have said this, but with all due respect, I was right. May they rest in peace. You go to the stars, but there are other stars to be discovered. Right here, we're discovering stars on our own. We could have saved lives. And I'm just going to say I told you. You heard it here, lighting the AstroFuze.